Hello, my name is Maxim Hotel, and my author is Notzaki Shangi. Um, Her birth name, her original birth name was Paulette Williams. However, she got more famous under her more popular name, Notzaki Shangi. She was born in Trenton, New Jersey in 1948 into a wealthier family. Um, and her father was a surgeon, and it then attended a Barnard College in New York, where she got her master's. And then she later went out to Los Angeles in USC and got her bachelor's degree in American Studies. She was most commonly known as an American playwright and poet and producer. Her early life, um, in Nozaki's early life, she was accustomed to seeing generational icons like Miles Davis and Webb Du Bois in her own living room, just because those were like family friends and just normal people to her. Like they weren't celebrities or generational icons to her. They were just more family friend type of people. However, then she got married in college. However, later got divorced, which led to serious depression for Shangi. This divorce actually led to her attempting suicide multiple times. However, in 1971, when she ultimately felt like she conquered depression, she legally changed her name to Nozaki Shangi, and this name translates to "she who has her own things" for Nozaki, and Shangi translates to "he or she who walks with lions." Um, However, I translate this to mean one independent and strong woman. Independent because she who has her own things simply means one that's independent, not dependent on others. And then she who walks with lions, in my eyes, must be someone that's strong and courageous, because to walk with lions is pretty crazy. So that's how I get Nozaki Shangi to translate to mean one strong woman, and I think that's sort of how she liked it. Her career, her most famous work was for colored girls who have considered suicide when the rainbow is enough. Um, she used choreo poem for this play. This play was on Broadway for multiple years. Um, However, the way she used choreo poem, it allowed the audience to really feel the drama and just the true impact that this play was really meant to feel. Um, uh, Choreo poem is a form of poetry and production at the same time. So it is a form of poetry and song and music and dance all composed into one to make you sort of just feel everything. Songi also had multiple other productions such as Spell Number 7, A Photograph, A Study of Cruelty, and many more that were all among her best pieces. Some of the awards she has received throughout the years are awards for college girls, as well as the Outer Critics Circle Award and the AUD-ELCO Award, as well as she's received multiple Tony, Grammy, and Academy Award nominations. She's also received an Obie Award for our production Spell Number 7 in 1979, as well as the Los Angeles Times Book Prize in 1981 for her piece, or for her novel Three Pieces. And she also just recently passed away this October in 2018. So unfortunately, Nozaki Shangi is no longer with us. However, her works will always be with us.